A new RT700i garment label printer requires the installation of the resin ribbon and the garment labels. On both sides of the printer, you will notice green levers. These levers unlock the print head. When the print head is fully open, it will lock in place. Open the top lid of the printer. This will give you access to the white and green gears in which the resin ribbon will be installed. If you look close, you will notice springs inside the square insertion points. These springs allow for easy ribbon installation. On the large roll of unused resin ribbon, you will see that one side of the ribbon shaft has a square peg. Insert this square peg into the middle of the white gear. On the dispense core ribbon shaft, there's also a square peg. That peg will insert into the middle of the green gear. Now let's install the garment labels. Simply place the garment labels in between the adjustable brackets. Use the green unlock button on the right bracket to adjust the brackets tightly against the garment labels. Toward the front of the printer, there is a sensor. Though adjustable, the sensor is factory preset for your garment label size. It tracks the gaps on the left side of the garment labels, ensuring proper print alignment. After closing and locking the lid, the printer is ready to use. If you have further questions, we would be happy to help. Online at unithermincorporated.com or by phone at 800-227-9488.